verse is here. Taking away the moments to think of a dull day. Waste the hours in a bad way. Thinking around all the pieces of ground in your hometown.
Go Toto. That's nice.
Listen, you can obviously say that it's coincidental in some parts, but goddamn, and that's just one piece.
Mm-hmm.
There's like through the whole movie, there's scenes like that. It's just like syncs up and syncs up and syncs up. It's fun.
It's fun.
And back before the internet was perfect, because we just say, this is what it was. They did the music to The Wizard of Oz.
Right. Yeah, it's fun. Wizard of Oz, don't you think it's the most referenced film ever? Like deep in our, like, kids know references. They've never even seen the movie. Like, you see someone on a bike, people go like, da, 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 da. Like, Your Little Dog 2, There's No Place Like Home. There's so many references that just live in the psyche from a film that came out 100 years ago.
Right.
It's the most seen film in movie history.
There you go.
According to the Library of Congress.
All right.
I buy that.
The movie's seen and heard.
What's number 2?
Let's try to think of it.
The Barbie movie.
I want to try to think. Maybe it's got to be like Snow White or some Bambi. Something like that.
Conan.
In 400 meters, use the right lane to take the A831 slip road to Kreuz, Stuttgart, Vaihingen.
IMDb has a different list.
What's IMDb's number 1
I was
of all
thinking
time?
Titanic would have to have been up there.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Titanic.
yeah, it has to be.
That
What
was
about
huge.
Avatar?
And then it has E.T. as number 2.
Oh wow. So Titanic's number 1.
According to IMDb.
But is that box office or just?
It says watched, I think.
Use the right lane to take the A831 slip road, then merge onto A831.
Watched. So like I actually typed in most seen movie. I typed in the exact same thing it said. And it says most watched movies of all time. It's Titanic.
Because it's different qualifications. Because Wizard of Oz has been around for 80. It came out in 39, so you have all those people. But Wizard of Oz is great, and she was supposed to be like a 12-year-old. You know, they were like tying her tits down and everything.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's crazy. She was supposed to be 12, and they were taping her tits down, and evidently the little people were like,
Continue for 5 kilometers.
harassing her and grabbing her pussy and stuff.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's crazy stories.
People were horrible back then.
Yeah.
Did you ever see Shirley Temple? Like any of the old Shirley Temple stuff?
Just clips. I've never like sat and watched a Shirley Temple film.
It's bizarre.
Really, she was massive, right?
Yeah, she's massive, but here's what's bizarre. There's scenes where, I mean, she's a little girl, and she's on an airplane with a bunch of men, and these men can't stop looking at her. She's sitting on their laps. What is that? Was that the Good Ship Lollipop that she was singing? Where do you see this? And she was really young, you know, and this is what happened to her when she's, you know, I don't know how old she was.
Was she like 8 or 9 or like?
It's a good question. I think younger than that when she first started.
Really young.
So, oh, she looks like she's 4.
Oh, yeah. She's younger than I thought she was. Watch this.
In 3 kilometers, take exit 21 Sindelfingen OST towards Sindelfingen OST, U6.
I throw away my toys, even my drum and train. I want to make some noise with real life airplane. Someday I'm going to fly. I'll be a pilot too. And when I do, how would you like to
That's my opener. He does a bit about you have to be, I think it's like 10 days old to appear in film. And he really went to a screening of A Quiet Place Part 2. And they had a special guest at the appearance, and it was the fucking baby. Like, they just held up a, 3-month-old baby. Oh, maybe the baby was a year.
Keep right at the fork.
Point was like, here it is, here's the baby. I mean, it's really fascinating to have a baby and be like, take my baby. And he said, Jim from The Office, just take my baby. It's a great bit.
That is weird.
But it's really odd. These people that are like, absolutely, just have
Here's
a
my
baby.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah,
That's our baby. That's our Cheryl up there on that screen.
It's fucking...
And the aliens are eating the other folks.
It's strange. I mean, I guess somebody has to do it. You got to have babies in film. Because I remember they did American Sniper, and famously there was the fake baby.
Yeah, he got busted with a fake baby.
It was really bad. But
people got mad. They got mad at the fake baby.
It was, I mean, it did look ridiculous.
I don't remember how bad it looked.
Let's find it.
Let's find it.
It's not good. Not a great film in my opinion, but the baby, with or without the baby, doesn't look horrible there.
Oh my god, it did look so horrible. No, one more time. Watch it from the beginning. Go ahead. Watch this. It's like so fake. Look how fake that looks. Look.
I mean, it's just lifeless.
Yeah. Yeah, the arms aren't moving.
Oh,
he's moving his
with his thumb, yeah.
Ah, you think we're stupid?
That's hilarious.
You think we're stupid?
They must have been like, just do a little thumb thing.
Yeah.
That is great. It almost looks like he's looking like, does this work?
He's doing puppetry. He's doing super high-level puppetry in a movie.
Poor guy.
I mean, it's like puppetry that the whole world's gonna see.
Would you hand your baby to a...
No. Fuck
movie
out of
star?
here. I don't think they should use kids in movies.
I mean, I guess you got to at some point, right? I mean...
Every kid that I've ever met, barred none, that was famous when they were young is fucked up.
Yeah, it's not good. I mean, most people get fucked up. Most adults get fucked up from fame.
Yeah,
let alone a child.
This is what I think it's like. I think it's like making cement. See, when you make cement, you need to put the right amount of water, the right amount of grit, the right amount of all that stuff.
Head north on Wilhelm Haspelstrasse towards Albrecht der Strasse. In 6